It is Sunday afternoon, May the 24th, 2020. It is about 3:05 a.m. in the afternoon, 90 degrees. We're headed south on Georgia 441, US 441. We've just entered the city limits of Commerce. I don't know when we'll get to the city. The square mileage of Commerce is larger than most of the cities we've come across. It was founded in 1818 as a community, not incorporated until 1884, and then the name was changed from the original name to Commerce in 1908. The population as of 2018 was 6,932. The elevation was 912 feet above sea level. The square miles surface area is 12.53. I think we'll turn up here at this intersection and go right through town, and then we will make a left and go to Jefferson. We have just turned west on Georgia 326, and it says Commerce is 2 miles. So I'll turn the camera off until we actually get into town. We're coming in off of a side street, not the main road, and I just got my first whiff of magnolia for the spring. Very nice, very nice. Been seeing the blooms, but that's the first smell I've got of them. Bunch of bikers parked up here. It's a funeral home, okay. Commerce Civic Center. Coming into the junction of Business 441, Georgia 98. We'll make a left right here. Hit Broad Street and then go right down through town. We're going to turn right. This is 2 lanes on each side of the railroad track. We'll be watching for a sign for Jefferson. I think we may be coming up on it. Maysville straight, Jefferson to the right, yes. We're going to go, Jefferson to the left. We're going to go to the left and head to Jefferson. We may as well finish going through town and then come back and turn right and go to Jefferson instead of turning left right there. Let you see a little bit more of the town area. We will wait right here because there's not enough room on the other side of the tracks. would be sticking out into the street. Maysville to the right, Gainesville to the right. I hear something loud. I'm not sure what it is. Let me move over and let that car get by. I pigged the lane, and he wanted to go ahead and get across and turn right. Sounds like a get-together or some preaching of some sort. Not too far away. And we will turn right on alternate 15, headed to Jefferson. Okay, that'll conclude our video of Commerce. Gotta change the battery before we do the Jefferson video.